Now let us see the relation between the time of flight of the bodies when they are projected with complementary angles. Those are theta and 90 minus theta. First body is projected with an angle theta, and second case body is projected with 90 minus theta. Now we have to find out the time periods and we have to see the relation between the time periods. First, if theta 1 is equals to theta, then time period t1 is equals to 2u sin theta by g is the formula. In the same case, theta at 2 is equals to 90 minus theta. Then t2 is equals to 2u sin 90 minus theta by g. So t2 is equals to 2u cos theta by g. Okay, this is t1, this is t2. Now if you take t1 by t2, t1 is 2u sin theta by g by t2 is 2u cos theta by g. Then g cancelled, 2u cancelled, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. So t1 by t2 is equals to tan theta is the formula. So this is one relation. Again, if you take the multiplication or product of t1 and t2, so t1 into t2 is equals to 2u sin theta by g into 2u cos theta by g. So here this is 2 into 2, you can write, I will write 2 into 2, I will write u into u square. This is sin theta into cos theta by, this is g square, I will write as g into g. So this is 2, I will write here, g I will write here. This is u square, 2 into sin theta cos theta value, sin 2 theta by g this is. So u square sin 2 theta by g is nothing but range. So this is equals to t1 into t2 is equals to 2 by z into range r, you can write. So t1 t2 is equals to 2r by g is the relation. So this is the relation between range and time periods. Okay.